I think I found him again. Turns out he just hates cats. I was just drawing when I noticed. Same drawing style. Looks like even the same dog. It's him. Last time my cat drew for me, and he called it Scribbles. But he doesn't remember me, or it's not even him. Bro, this time I draw the cat myself. As he asked, he will love it. Beautiful cat, perfect cat. He looked over and said he doesn't like cats. It was never about the scribbles. He just doesn't like cats or my cat. Tell him my cat is beautiful. Or send picture, please.